Hi guys, we only see these in Holland, but this is Kenya, and to be precise, this is Nakuru, Nakuru County, sorry. You can see how modernized it has been done. Automated feeding. Guys, look at that. You can see that. We only see these on YouTube, in TV, and this is Kenya. What an amazing enterprise being done here in Nyandarua. Keep it M Agriculture. If you're new to our YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share.
Semua nimejua. When they come out of the milking parlor, yes, they take like 20 minutes standing. Yes. Yes.
So that the sphincter muscle can close.
Can close. Yes. Yes.
The waiting bay after milking.
Yes, we have the waiting bay after milking.
Yes.
So they start there like 20 minutes also. Yes. And that times also give us a chance to make sure the feed trap somebody else is doing it, or because somebody else somewhere is controlling chicks. You are supposed to know why this farmer or this daily farmer is doing whatever he is doing. So you have the reason of doing what you are doing.
Would you say, or would you encourage somebody who wants to invest $1 million, $10 million, $100 million to do a mega project in dairy? Is dairy farming profitable?
Dairy farming is profitable, but you should have what the best like knowledge, or the consultant in the because when you start doing that mega project, maybe you have money, but when it comes to the factors of production, they are supposed to be intertwined. The management, the cash, the land, everything.